I am not going to create videos anymore. I'm posting every single day and I got only 100, 200, 300 views. I don't know how other people get so many views. This was my situation after creating more than 100 plus reels on Instagram. Hardly I was getting 300, 400, maximum 5000 views until I found this framework. Then it just took me 30 days to reach 1 million people. That I am going to share in this video with you. So after creating more than 100 plus reels, I know I was not doing something right because my videos was not getting so much attraction. So I stopped creating videos and I started analyzing successful creators and their viral videos, how they create content. Then I realized actually my videos are not that much good. I need to work on so much on my videos. So I created a list. I made a list and wrote down the some point that I need to work on. So first I started working on the ideas or topic on the reel that I am going to post. So I knew that I need an idea that can attract large number of audience. So to find a perfect idea, I decided to model viral reels. So what I did, I searched, I went on the Instagram and YouTube and I put the keyword related to affiliate marketing because I was making videos related to affiliate marketing, and I made a list of all the viral videos, 30 videos. I made a list of 30 videos and I wrote down their topics and the intro, all these things, so that so that now I have the ideas that already proven, that already working in the market, because those ideas, those are already viral videos getting so many views, comments, shares. So I know these topics people want to know, already working in the market. So I decided to model those videos, but with my own spin. I was not just going to copy paste whole the thing. All I was just taking inspiration and the structure format of all those videos. So now I have the all the ideas that already proven in the market. Then I know because I have created so many reels, I understand that first 2-3 seconds of the videos are very important. They that going to decide whether the people will stay on your video or they will just scroll down your video. So and that depends on the 80%, and that like people will going to watch your video or not, that 80% depend on the hook. Because we know right now the attention span of everybody is the attention span is very less. So I need to create a hook, like I have only 2-3 seconds to grab the attention of my audience, so that because we know we just scroll whenever we are watching reels and all, we just keep scrolling, but we stop. There are some video that grab our attention and we just stop on that video and watch that video. So I knew if I also want people watch my video in just 2-3 seconds, first I need to grab the attention of my audience by creating a hook. And hook should be interesting, should be something contrary, that people that it should be something different they hear in their day-to-day life. It should be something that shock them or surprise them, so that they stop on my video and they watch my video. So I'll give you an example what I did for my next video. So the idea of my reel was how to make YouTube videos without showing your face. I know this is a good idea, great idea, that many people want to know this thing. To make to make this more interesting, more catchy, more attractive, more attractive, what I did, I add 2 lines also in this hook. First I add, okay, you don't need to hire people from the Fiverr, because whenever if someone watching that video, that reading that hook, how to make YouTube videos without showing your face, he might be thinking, okay, I need to hire people from the Fiverr, or I need to do all the work by myself. So these two things I just removed. I added two line in my video. First is, you don't need to hire people from the Fiverr, or you don't need to work by yourself. So these are the two objections that people all had. Basically, I made things easier for them that develop curiosity. Okay, we don't need to hire people. We are not going to spend even. We don't need to do 80% of work by ourselves. So how we are going to do that? How we are going to create videos without showing their face, and not doing the work by yourself, not hiring by people. So it create curiosity in their mind. Okay, how we are going to do that? So this is the hook part. So I spent so much time on that, and then I created this hook. But this is not enough. I know, if I want people, if I want my video get good views, perform well, I need to retain their attention to the whole video. I'll explain you in a simple language. Basically, if people watch my video till the end, then it will give a, basically people need to stay on my video till the end. They need to watch my video till the end. If that will be the case, then it will give a positive reaction, or a positive sign to the algorithm. Okay, this is a good video, people are watching this video, they're spending time on this video. Then the algorithm will going to push that video to more and more people. So my next thing, I need to work on the how I can make people stay on my video. So what I did to make people watch the whole video, I divided my reels into three section, or maybe 3 steps, so that they need to watch the whole video to know the complete process. I showed them everything, like how to make video. If the title was how to make YouTube video without showing their face, I was actually doing all the things, all the steps on my laptop, and I was showing them by doing all the things by myself. So this way made the video more interesting, and people keep engaged in my video. So they watch the whole video without even knowing that. And this really work this trick really works well. I have applied this in many videos. I also tell you in this video, after when I started posting videos on different platform, how much views I got, how much money I made, and all the things. So, but I know I can do something more also in my video. What I have seen in the viral videos, people are adding captions in their videos. So I also added the caption using the app Descript. You can also use that if you want to add caption in your video. They give you 1 hour, I think 1 hour for free. So I just edit. How many videos I edit? Around 30 videos I edit with the Descript. I just add the captions using Descript, which is absolutely free. You can also do that. If CapCut also good app, if that also available for you, you can use that. Then because when there is a caption appearing on the screen, people will get busy in reading the caption. This is another way to keep people engaged on your video. Because I wanted to make my video more interesting, more engaging, so what I did, I added there was a pattern interrupt in my video after every 4 to 5 seconds. Sometimes I was showing screen to them, sometimes I was talking to camera, sometimes text appearing on the screen, and sometimes there was some visual effects. So all of these things make the video interesting that what I that that's what I did. The best I can do, I did. One thing I knew after all of these things, if I did not follow this rule, then nothing going to work. Consistency. I knew how much consistency matters. It's not like I have made one great video and it's just going to blow up. It can, but not it can blow up, but not every time. So I know that I have to be consistent by posting videos. Now let's talk about how these reels performed. So I posted on different platforms: YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. So if I tell you, on YouTube I am posting shorts very first time, and Instagram I have account, but from the last 7 to 8 months I have not posted anything, so there is no traffic on that profile. On Facebook, for the I was posting content for back then, 3 to 4 months before, but that was a written content, so I have not posted any reels on the Facebook. Now let's talk about, and I have posted around 30, I have created around 20 reels, around 20, sometimes I repeat also the same reels I posted to see how the reels performed when posting a different time the same reel. So I created around 22, I guess 25 reels, and then I started posting. So first let's talk about the YouTube. I will tell you honestly, on the YouTube, reels would not perform well. There was hardly any views, 10, 20, 30, 40, there was no views. And if I talk about the Instagram, on Instagram reels performed well. I got 100k views on Instagram. 4 reels performed so well, got 35k views, 20, 25, like this. But on the Facebook, that came as a big surprise for me also. But if I tell you, when I started post, there was no any plan to post on Facebook, because it's more of a written platform post. Most of the people post, make a written post. So I thought, if I have a videos, let's try to post on that also. It came out of a big surprise. Literally, it changed so many things for me. So when I started posting for the first 5 to 10 days, nothing happens, and I was posting alternate days, maybe sometimes 2-3 days gap, but I kept posting reels, and I was surprised when one reel went viral, got 500k views on one reel, then another reel went viral, 500k on another reel, and there are so many reels performed so well on some 60k, 120k, 200k views. So total I got more than 1 million views after posting around 20 to 25 reels, and I have posted for I guess 45 days on the alternate days. So on the Facebook it worked so well, and not just, I was not only getting views, but there was so much traffic I got on my Facebook profile. There were so many comments on my reels, so many likes, comments, shares, and that I turned into, and then those comments, I turned into my clients, that I will also tell you. So I made money from that also, and yes, so that on Facebook it worked so well. One thing I also want to tell that, so after posting all these reels, I learned 2 things: just keep improving your content and keep consistently with it. If you are improving your content and you are consistent with it, it definitely will give you great result. Not today, not tomorrow, maybe after that. So if you also want to know how much money I made after getting 1 million views on Facebook Reels, then click here and watch this video.